force winds expected with frequent gusts up to 35 knots. The areas affected include Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Eastern Bay, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River and Pawtuxet River to Brooms Island, Maryland. The hazardous weather conditions are expected. Peak winds are expected Thursday night. Impacts. Very strong winds will cause hazardous waves which could capsize or damage vessels. Mariners should alter plans to avoid these hazardous conditions. Remain in port, seek safe harbor, alter course, and/or secure the vessel for severe conditions.